Welcome back, students. We have so beautiful and an amazing pictures and that tutorial, beautiful shape mask options. We have to try on it and I have to choose that red color with that ratio. And guys, that shape mask options have been chosen for the image. Now, guys, I would try that beautiful and some borders options on the photo. These borders, guys, could be try on it as we could watch on it. And here guys, changes could be noticed on the image after the application of these beautiful borders on it. Like here we could increase or decrease the opacity of it, like these ones.